The SLR 434M is an embedded radio modem for serial data transmission. It's developed by Circuit Design and is a transceiver incorporating LoRa technology. It provides much longer range and penetration at low RF power. There are various methods to interface to the SLR 434M module. A PC or tablet with appropriate software application with a suitable USB to serial conversion, or you can use CPU and various Arduino development kits. By using a dedicated command system with simple to use protocol, the data can be transmitted. So some example applications: agricultural, difficult to penetrate areas, for example manholes; structural, building to building; water level management; so what does the development kit contain? The main board has the CPU, and above that is the sensor for pressure, humidity and temperature. On here we have the auxiliary connections, a USB port for downloading user code, and here we have the module and the antenna. Here we have USB or battery power selectable switches. At the top also are TX and RX LEDs for communication monitoring. An optional board allows the user to add his own circuit and components, and the LEDs on the board will be for our water sensor demonstration. And everything is enclosed in one unit. So by using a tablet with a USB port, data can be transferred using a dongle SLR 434D. By using suitable tablet application software, we can display water detection warning on the tablet screen. This is the tablet with the warning application connected to the SLR 434D, and this is the development kit with the module and the CPU and the sensor. This is the water sensor. Now we can collect temperature, humidity and pressure.